This video slideshow covers the basic steps to installing the Phase 7 integrated single dish drawer, which requires an external duct. For complete instructions, please refer to Installation Manual 590452A, available at www.fisherpaykel.com/customercare/user guide. 4 holes will need to be cut in the cabinetry to install the single integrated dish drawer, 3 for the exhaust ducting and 1 services hole. Here you can see the 2 3/8 inch duct hole in the upper cabinet. A right angle drill will make cutting the hole in the lower cabinetry much easier, as seen here. Unscrew the top cover from the external vent and cut off the shaded areas. Use the bottom of the external vent to mark the area to be cut out of the cabinet floor. Using a multi-tool will make cutting out this area much easier, as seen here. It may be necessary to notch out the toe kick so that the vent can sit flush with the cabinet floor. Carefully feed the duct through all 3 holes and connect the vent to the duct. Make a 1.5 inch services hole in the side of the cabinet, as seen here. Connect the duct to the elbow at the back of the dish drawer and feed the drain hose and power cord through the services hole as you lift the dish drawer into the cabinet. Be sure to route the hoses and power cord inside the channel at the base of the dish drawer. Pull the excess ducting down below the floor of the lower cabinet. Be sure the back of the cabinet frame is adequately sealed to withstand moisture. The moisture tape included with the installation kit is ideal for this. Cut a strip and apply it to the back of the frame, as seen here. Place the vent into place and tighten the screws in the vent cap to secure it to the cabinet floor. Continue with the normal installation steps of securing the dish drawer to the side cabinet panels and hooking up the plumbing. Please refer to the video Dish Drawer Installation for more detailed instructions on those steps.